continue watching and subscribing on our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you.
You are holding my change.
What is your change?
You hold my 350. Oh, I come and buy it.
My sister, what is this girl sparking? What she's sparking? Can you crochet for me a little? What she's sparking? Who is holding your change?
You.
Me?
Yes. 350.
Shut up your mouth there, Joe.
I will not shut up my mouth because of you heard me 350.
It's like you have not seen me before. It's like you don't know me. It's like you don't know me. I will kill you here now and I will bury grave you here.
Oh. Unless if you did not give me my change, unless I will beat you here.
Holding this girl, oh. Holding this girl. I will beat it out. Holding this girl. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. You lie at us. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Come. Oh. Precious. You are fighting. You live where I send you and you are here, you are fighting. What is the problem? Why are you here fighting?
She hold me my change.
She's holding you your change?
Yes.
How much?
350.
Are you holding her 350?
Auntie, no. She's a liar.
Do you know her?
Auntie, I doesn't know in this girl. I doesn't know in this girl. In fact, I haven't met her before.
And you are fighting her?
Did she know her?
Yes, Auntie, we have buy our food once and we have seen her once.
So why didn't you people give her her change?
She said like she don't have change. Then since 2 months now, she's holding her 350.
Why you say you don't know her?
Auntie, I've told you what I've told you before. I don't know this girl and I haven't met her before.
And you are here fighting her. My dear, sorry. Don't worry. How much is your change? 350. It's alright. I will give you your 350. Where is your house?
My house is down to you here.
It's alright. Don't worry. I'll give her 350 to bring for you, okay? Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
See you are a liar. Now I know that you're a liar. If I meet you again, I'll beat you. I'll beat you.
Keep on fighting. By the time I give you that slap, you know who I am.
You're a liar. If you're not shutting up your mouth there, I will slap at you there. Okay, you say you don't know her. If you don't know her, how did she bought fruit from you? If you don't know her, how are you owing her 350? Liar. Shut up your mouth there. If I don't shut up my mouth, what will you do? Will you slap me? And you, when we reach in the house, you see what I'm doing. Where's the dog? Hello friends, thank you for watching all our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Nolly Rainbow Kids. I will promise to give you more videos. Share with your friends and also give us a good comment. Also give us a like. Give us a courage for us to give you